Generative AI, it's changing our daily lives. Let's say that you're feeling hungry and you don't know what you want to get, and you start looking for recipes. And normally you'd have to go online. With something like ChatGPT plugins, what you can do is use ChatGPT to figure out what you want. Let's say I want a mango smoothie. Those are quite tasty. And then I can place that order on a plugin like Instacarts, where I can go ahead and look at all the ingredients. I need mangoes, I need yogurt, I need some milk. I place the order with ChatGPT plugins, and within an hour, it's in my kitchen, right? So it's a pretty exciting experience where you don't have to go all over the internet to find ingredients, recipes, make the order. It's all in one place. It's in the ChatGPT plugins. So ChatGPT plugins are customizable additions to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a great tool to do general tasks, but sometimes you want to do something more specific, right? You might need help with your math homework, or you might want to book a travel assistant, or you might even want to order a mango smoothie. So ChatGPT plugins are these additions that let you do more specialized tasks. So to make your own ChatGPT plugin, you'd have to go to the OpenAI website and sign up. And right now, they're still in the early stages. So if your plugin is accepted, you'll be added to a developer community where you can learn best practices and build the plugin together. And once it's ready, it'll be added to the OpenAI website, and users can use it within their ChatGPT instances. So what's interesting is ChatGPT acts as an orchestrator to facilitate plugins. So you might look up, how do I do this complicated math question? And ChatGPT will recognize that, hey, Wolfram Alpha is a great way to answer this question. So it'll take your question, recognize that it's math-based, and send it over to Wolfram Alpha. And then you'll get a response back from Wolfram Alpha using their API, and ChatGPT will then summarize it. So it's this interesting ability to coordinate all these different services together. So I think right now plugins are kind of in an app store moment. Right now there are 10 plugins available on the OpenAI website, but you can imagine that when the App Store came out, if we remember, there are only a few apps out there. There's an email app, a calculator app, but right now there's been an explosion in different apps on our mobile phones. So similarly, ChatGPT plugins will have more and more specialized use cases. Right now, they're more B2C use cases, but we can see more B2B use cases emerging. And even private plugins. You can imagine two large companies who are collaborating together on a partnership might want to release a special plugin just for that partnership and not expose it to the general public. So we're really in that emergent moment right now. We're very early in the plugin process right now. I think what excites me the most is that there's so much learning and so much opportunity right now. We're going to see a huge amount of time put in by developers and creators to make fantastic plugins. So that's what really excites me. It's the opportunity up ahead.